Namaste, I'm Kala and you're watching Kala Art Online. Today is a very interesting topic where I'll be teaching you all how to draw an eye. As always, this is for beginners and I'll be breaking down into very simple ways to draw this eye. So let's get started with today's class. And of course, if you're someone new coming to my channel for the first time and you like what you watch, do consider subscribing and click on that bell icon for my latest updates. So let me start off on how beginners generally draw the eye. So here we have the eye, and then generally there's a big circle drawn like this to show the eyeball, and then individual eyelashes like this. So this is how generally beginners draw the eye. Of course, it looks good, but this is wrong. This is not how we draw the eye. Now let me show you a very simple way to draw the eye. First draw a vertical line and then a horizontal line. Now after this I'm just placing two dots. You can see the one on top is a little more away from the middle point compared to the below one, because the upper eyelid is generally a little more wider compared to the lower eyelid. So after this, that's the tear duct there. Let me just draw this. Let's draw the iris. A neat eyebrow. I've left a kind of reflection out there. Now you can shade like this completely. The eyeball can be shaded. Now little on top I'm just darkening it because this is the shadow which is being cast because of the eyelid. Just darken the area around a bit like this, and then we just draw the eyelid, the upper eyelid, and shade this a bit. Now this is a very simple way of drawing the eye. Once you keep practicing, you will be able to draw it more easily. And of course the eyelashes. Now this eye, I'm just going to show you all how we can blend it. I'm using my fingertip to blend this. I'll show you all one more way to blend. Just keep watching till the end of this video. I'm drawing another line below, a shape from where I will give the eyelashes for the lower lid. So that was the second way of doing the eyelid. Now using the second way, I'm going to show you how to fine tune it to draw the perfect eye. So same way, two dots, draw the eye. Now keep practicing this over and over again. So that's the eye there. You can use any pencil for doing this work. This is just a beginner's guide. So don't worry about buying expensive pencils. Now the eye which I have drawn, I'm drawing another shape here, just dividing it to give the upper eyelid. Then we draw the pupil and then the iris. So as I was mentioning, don't go in for expensive art products. when you're still a beginner. Even a regular pencil is enough. Now for this, I'm not going to shade this blackened area. Let me first just erase all the lines. Now instead of shading for the pupil, I'll just show you all the correct way of shading it. You just have to use fine strokes like this. Now the lighter strokes is for the first layer. Now you use the lighter strokes for the first layer. Always remember in shading, you do not start shading it dark. You add layer over layer of light shading to get the desired result. So this was my first layer, which I've done with very light strokes. Now I need it more darker to show the shadow. So on top of this, I'm adding another layer of light strokes so that it gets dark. Do not color it black directly. Add layer and layer of light short strokes. That is the correct way of coloring. And of course, I've left the highlight out there. So the eye is already looking so beautiful. Now let me just darken this area right in the middle. When you are doing your work, take your time, do the work neatly. And then I'm going to shade the upper eyelid. Now I'm just again using my fingertip to shade this upper eyelid, and we give beautiful eyelashes. Now don't make it like straight lines. Give a nice shape to the eyelashes. And shorter strokes for the eyelashes for the lower eyelid. And of course, if you're enjoying whatever you're watching, do consider subscribing. Don't forget to click on that bell icon and select all so that you get to watch all my videos and you're notified the moment I post something new. Now I'm taking an eraser. Of course, I've cut it into a small piece like this, sharpened it to whiten up the areas. Now, as I mentioned, don't buy special erasers for this. You can use a normal eraser and just cut a small piece out. Then of course we draw the eyebrows, and instead of shading the eyebrows, use light short strokes to show the hair there. Generally, any artwork you see, the eye is the most captivating. If the eye doesn't come out properly, then the whole artwork will not give the desired effect. So practice on the eye. And of course, no face is going to be so beautiful without a little bit of darkened under eyes. It's not a photoshopped image. So let's start shading a little bit under the eyes and to give the effect of the nose. Now I'm using a earbud to blend. In the last one, I showed you how to use the tip of the finger. Now for this, I'm using a earbud. Both the ways are easy and beautiful. You can just follow this. Now inside the eye also, don't leave it perfectly white, just blend in a little bit of color inside. And finally I'm giving the finishing touches to the eyebrow. As I mentioned, use short strokes to beautify the eyebrows. There we go. The long eyelashes, let me just do that. I hope you're all enjoying. As I always mention, it's not enough just to watch the video, you will have to practice it. And if you have any doubts, suggestions, comments, do write in the comment section. Now I've just shown you the wrong way and the correct way of doing an eye. I hope you all enjoyed this class. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Thank you all once again.